Hello everyone, this is Nikita video ngai chingtini shurunglainai Quadratic Equations Standard 10. Hello everyone, welcome again to my new video. Today we are going to learn about Quadratic Equations of Standard 10. Ngai Quadratic Equations tamnahan. Kaisha equation Quadratic Equation hanjago jodi bini kaisha variable bini highest power 2 hungai bono hanjangnai quadratic equation. An equation is said to be quadratic equation if an equation with the one variable has the highest power 2, then it is said to be a quadratic equation. Here I have shown some examples. Here first example 3x squared plus 4x plus 7 equals to 0. Here the highest power is 2. Second example x squared equals to 4. Highest power is again 2. The power of x is 2, which is the highest. And in third example 2x squared minus 50 equals to 0. Here also the highest power is 2. So our example na imang kha 3x squared plus 4x plus 7 or x squared rizak mane or x ni highest power ke 2. Abanyo bo kasha quadratic equation same x square equals to 4 bo tai 2x square minus 50 equals to 0 bo or jotoni highest power 2 abaganyo bora kasha quadratic equation hinjago. Next guys standard form. Guys chingtak nailanyai quadratic equation is standard form bahai. Now we are going to see how is the standard form of quadratic equation looks. So it looks as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 for a is not equals to 0 and here a, b and c are real numbers. Okay, quadratic equation ni standard form okay ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 a hingkai 0 nya gatai a, b tai c hingga joto real numbers. Example hingkai jemon 4x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0 Abo hingga kaisa quadratic equation je kaisa standard form tongo. We may get confused by seeing the minus sign, but here the minus doesn't matters. Chingora naima no a hingkai 4 ngai, b hingkai 5 ngai, c hingkai minus 6 ngai. So no problem. Omo kaisa quadratic equation or nugzago. Just standard form. Next we are coming about discriminant. Next hingkai ching discriminant ni bare shurungai. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is not equals to 0. The discriminant is denoted by d. Thus d equals to b square minus 4ac. Guy or discriminant hanjago kaisa equation je hangai b square minus 4ac. Sabuni discriminant or quadratic equation ni standard form ni discriminant. Guy or discriminant tambai denote klaizak d by. Abagai d equals to b square minus 4ac. Next guy adfacted quadratic equation. Tamno adfacted quadratic equation hun. Next what is adfacted quadratic equation? If a quadratic equation contains only two terms, one square term and one first power term of the unknown. It means that if a quadratic equation has two terms, here we are having two terms and one is the square term and other is the first power term of the unknown. X is here x is the unknown variable. So thus this is the adfacted equation. Guy jodi kaisa equation ni oro duita terms tongkai kaisa hangkai square ni term te kaisa hangkai first power ni term kaisa unknown variable ni. X hangkai sob somoy kaisa unknown variable. Gabono no adfacted quadratic equation hinjago. Next we are coming about pure quadratic equation. What is pure quadratic equation? If the quadratic equation contains only the square of the unknown. Jodi kaisa quadratic equation ni oro kaisa unknown ni square shimi tongkhangkai bono hanai pure quadratic equation. If the quadratic equation contains only the square of the unknown means here x square. X square in example we can see x square is the x is the unknown and it's in a square term, so it's a pure quadratic equation. Okay, or example naima no x square equals to 4. X ke kaisa unknown variable je square mane bo kaisa pure quadratic equation. Hingka chingtabo koyekta examples rock question rock solve khainai so that chini understanding te kahamangna bagai. Now let's solve some example and questions so that we understand more clearly. Question number 1 says that is 3x 2x minus 5 plus 6 equals to 2x 3x plus 5 minus 6 a quadratic equation? Here it's asking that they will give an equation and they will ask whether it's a quadratic equation or not. To see that, first of all, we will solve this equation. First of all, we will write this equation 3x 2x minus 5 plus 6 equals to 2x 3x plus 5 minus 6. Jung pula equation suina granai. Sima pore hengkai jung bracket no khulugui sekang sinai. Then we will open the brackets. First 3x 2x. 3 into 2 6 x into x x square. So 6x square. Then om bewasha khainai, then om bewasha khainai. Gom ba khai prukai 6x square angkha. Minus tiny kor ni minus or hainai. 3 5 is 15. 15x or 6 plus 6 equals to same omno boam take khainai. Same here we will multiply, then 2 into 3 6 x into x x square plus sign 2 5 are 10 x minus 6. Then tak square terms no egloge tunai. Now we will bring square terms all together. 6x square here plus. Now if this plus come this side, then it will change into minus. So 6x square minus 6x square minus 15x plus will become minus if it come this side. So minus 10x plus 6 minus will become plus. So plus 6 equals to 0. Any term from this side, plus or minus, if it gets transferred from this side to this side, then plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Same for this term also, if it gets transferred to this side, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Je kono term yang ni jodi plus eba minus, just pano chung jodi yang term ni yang utlang thakang kai, plus ke minus ang thanai, minus ke plus ang thanai. Same yang ni bo yang thakang kai, plus ke minus ang thanai, minus ke plus ang thanai. Gar pore hangkai 6x square by 6x square na minus ke 0 kari kya ka minus se plus. Okay, 15x by 10x na plus ke 25x plus okay, plus 12 ka plus 12 na yang tla kai minus 12 ka minus cut ke 25x equals to 12 mang khang ga omo to kaisa standard form ya mane equal form ax square plus bx plus c form ya kheba ax square plus bx uje adfacted quadratic equation abuni form buya gate kaisa form tongo abu ga pure quadratic equation ax square plus c mane x square term shimi tongma jat abu pure quadratic equation ni form buya kuno form si bo satisfy khaya abun baganya bo kaisa quadratic equation hinjagya. Therefore given equation is not a quadratic equation. Question 2 nailane. Question 2 is how for the quadratic equation 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0, show that number 1 x equals to 1 by 3 is a solution, number 2 x equals to 3 is not a solution. Number 1 solve kanya. Now let's solve number 1. Here the question says x equals to 1 by 3 is a solution. So first of all we will put x equals to 1 by 3 in left hand side of the equation, that is this 3x square plus 5x minus 2. We will put the value of this x into this. So 3 into 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 2. So 3 into 1 by 9 plus 5 by 3 minus 2. Then after solving we can cut 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 minus 2. Then jengtam khlane LCM khane LCM ke 3 hane 1 plus 5 minus or 2 ni tola 1 tong 1 3 is a 3, so 2 3 is a 6 minus 6 minus 6 1 plus 5 is 6 ngate 6 minus 6 ngai 0 by 0 ngai j equal tam no equal right hand side 0 tong iko obuno equal ngai right hand side by equal. So jeng funung mang khaje solution of given equation. Gabo kung jeng funung nai x equals to 3 ngai solution ya fo gabo khanya bagai put khlai x equals to 3 same left hand side ni equation put khlai kai 3 into 9 plus 5 into 3 minus 2 gai busa khaine 27 plus 15 minus 2, that is 40 gai right hand side tam tong 0 gai 40 to 0 by equal ya ab bagai no x equals to 3 gai bo satisfy khlaya or equation no gai bo or equation is solution ya. Next gai question 3 was how if 2 by 3 and minus half are solutions of quadratic equation 6x square plus ax minus b equals to 0. Find the values of a and b. Okay, or question result bo kani hingai or quadratic equation is solutions for. Okay, tabuk of j a by b or value no find klatini shao. Abu klanya bagai jeng sukang kasya kai nanai or igute solution no. Pula bona nanai bona afro kai tam klanya substituting x equals to 2 by 3 in left hand side of the equation. Mono huno left hand side of the equation. जों अरो x equals to 2 by 3 अरो put खाइनाय ओ x नि जागाव put खाइकाय जों मानाय 6 into 4 by 9 plus 2a by 3 minus b गै चाबुक 6 4 is 24 9 plus 24 by 9 plus 2 by a 2a by 3 minus b equals to 0 गै जों तक LCM खाइकाय आमसक फाइनाय then 24 plus 6a minus 9b फाइका अमो 9 थांकाय 0 9 0 जे 0 गई गरे 0 फाइका ताबो हंकाय जों बनो सिम्प्लिफाई खाइनाय देबो सिम्प्लिफाई खाइनाय बगै जों बनो 3 by divide नाय 3 by divide खाय 3 8 जा 24 गरे 8 अंका प्लस 6 गै 3 2 जा गै 2a minus बनो 3 by कट खाइके 3b फाइव then अमो काइसे इक्वेशन मंखा बनो थनाय जों इक्वेशन 1 tak ngai ti kaisa iko omono x equals to minus half no ora put khainai o equation te sa put khlai kai 6 into minus half means 1 by 4 minus a by 2 minus b ga chingoro kashi equation mangkha minus a minus 2b plus b ching o equation no equation 2 rom kha ga equation 2 ni hoite ching ha ke simano a no yang to ni wi yang o je baki part not langai a equals to minus 2b plus 3 the any value no change the equation 1 put khai kai o je first equation ma mo 8 plus 2 o je a tong mani a jaga o abono solution ai minus 3b ga abono solve khai kai jeng manai 8 minus 4b abono into khai ke 4 minus 4b abono into khai ke plus 6 minus 3b ga minus 7b equals to minus 14 mani b equals to 2 o b ni value na ang tabu o a o put khai hankai iko putting b equals to 2 in a equals to minus 2 or b ni jaga wa 2 rakha plus b ga bisu fainai minus 4 plus 3 ga minus 1 ga chung aba ganyo chung a ni value mang kha tabuk b ni value mang kha a ga minus 1 b equals to 2 oboni o chapter ni table alka questions tong ko solve khai jangai next day wa ang table alka questions solve khai jai tini bagai asuna hambai